we're back with another unboxing. We've got 3 boxes to open. Let's find out what we're getting. Let's start with this one. And in this box, we have more to the story. The Paper Kingdom. And there are no bears in this bakery. These two, the Paper Kingdom and There Are No Bears in This Bakery, happen to be South Carolina Picture Book Award nominees for this year. Okay, let's open another box and see what's in it. Oh, lots of good books in here. We have a second copy of Manana Land, a second copy of A Wolf Called Wonder, and Finding Orion. Now for our last box. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. The Ghost in Apartment 2R. Hello from Wren Lake. And a second copy of The Remarkables. Guys, I can't wait for you to get these books in your hands and start reading. Remember, our goal is to read for 20 minutes every day.